Welcome everyone. I hope everybody's doing well this week. And without further ado, let's jump in. Let's see, let's do this. Looks like this way. Okay. Let's see. This. That appears to be in the way. I think I got the wrong one there. Hang on. Back up. Yep, I got it. Oh, I'm on the wrong side. That would do it too. There. Ah. Yeah, when you try and put them in the right side, it does seem to work a lot better. Of course, still getting you lined up and everything is also part of it. There it goes. Okay. All right, then. I'm surprised that this is working this good. I know y'all gonna get sick of hearing me say how surprised I am when things work, but I just always am. I guess I'm a pessimist by nature. Okay, this one's been more difficult, so that makes me feel a little better. Alright, there it went. Alright. And what's next? Oh, page. I'll put this little doodad on top of that doodad. Like so. so. Okay. Yep, I put them on backwards. Got to make sure. Yep, 20 and 19. Right. All right. Yeah. And that will. That way. He's going that way. Now these holes are going to line up. I know it. Alright, come on. Up. Alright, you. Okay, come on. Go on. Okay. All right. This doodad. Okay. Now what? Put you to the side for a moment. You. So, okay. Go up through the bottom. Oh, lost that one for a second. You go facing the flat side, facing the inside. Right. Side facing inside. Gently try and distribute the pressure through both sticks. I think would be the best way to do. If I break it, you'll know not to do that. All right, they're gonna go. All right. Oh well, they're all the way through. Okay. And then you go. Sticking over the edge. All right, that's that one. Try and give you all as good a look as you can have of this completed part of it. Like I said, obviously those two triangles up the top were tricky. You know, I don't know if it's tricky, just pay attention. And now I'm pretty sure we're over to, yep, putting things together. All right, now you go here. I think it's this. Yeah, there's a tab there. And over here. Oh, this goes, okay. Good. That one. Good. Go back on there. And this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna go. Okay, and then the middle one. Yeah. All right. So from you, I say just gotta be patient and ease them in. And do a quick test run while we're here. It's obviously gonna get in there somewhere and drop in. And on It'll go out this side on some of them, I'm sure. All right. So both sides. Well, that proves gravity still works here. So that's about all that does. Now, let's see here. You go like this. There's no, oh, there's some. Okay. I'll line up the slots. Okay, those on the outside. Okay, so those. Okay, got the T here, and we got these two slots, so they go right there. And there you go. These supposed to be. That seems like it's an awful long. Still not fitting as tight as these usually do. That appears. Okay, I got a little more room here. Okay. That's flush across the bottom, so I guess that's right. Now these go in. I guess that's what these are for, to hold it in place. How close are you on that? All the way through, and then line you up on this side. That's supposed to be. No, that's okay. It does not straddle that one. It does go on the inside here. I was checking that to make sure. Get on in there. There it goes. All right. And, I don't think they aren't connected yet, so there shouldn't have been no issue with that, but just to make sure. All right. Okay. And that's where I'm going to stop tonight, folks. Less than 15 minutes. I'm not doing too bad. Oh, there's another. Oh, there's more to this step. Ah. Secure this one back here. Which side it go? Okay, goes in this way. Should be fairly well lined up at this point. There we go. Okay. All right, that takes us through step 34, folks. I think we're getting pretty close. It's got to be. I don't know about y'all, but I'm getting excited about seeing this thing in motion and seeing what it turns into over the next, hopefully, like I said, I hadn't looked ahead. It shouldn't take, it's got to be get close. But anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another, and I'll see you next time. Bye.